it there. I don't know if I can.
Come on, find it.
Sometimes he and I will get into something and, oh God.
I believe in you.
What animal do you want me to do?
Channel your inner animal spirit.
Channel your inner chimpanzee.
Well, they're all different.
Pick one.
I know, but I don't know. I've never done it before, so I'd have to feel it.
Okay, find it. If you need to stick.
Definitely from South America.
Is my face weird?
Not at all.
Not at all. She's good. She's a bitch. She'd say it looks really pretty doing it at the wedding.
No, I didn't go that far. I just don't think it looks awful. I think it looks appropriate to the spirit animal that you're channeling.